Before we get started with our blog, installing Node packages and modules, we need to make sure we're all in the same Node version. In order to do that, we're going to install a tool called NVM, which stands for Node Version Manager. So if we head over to NVM's GitHub page, we can see near the top of the README that there's a nice script we can install right on the terminal. So let's see if it's registered in our path. You can issue NVM version to check, and it says NVM not found. If that's the case, we can run, it says right here, run the following to use it now. So we will do that. Great. Now, if we give NVM version, it's there. It's now in our path. Great. So let's check what versions are installed with NVM ls. So we have system and we have a few others, but it's not clear to us which versions those are exactly. So for this course, we're going to be using the LTS Carbon version of Node, which is 8.12.0. So we can install that version simply with NVM install 8.12.0. If this is the first version you're installing with NVM, NVM will create a default alias to this version. If you already had NVM installed with a lot of other different Node versions, you can shift your default by issuing NVM alias default 8.12.0. I would recommend you do that for this course. Again, if you don't have the correct Node version, you'll run into a lot of installation issues working on this project. And remember, you can always change your default alias by issuing that command NVM alias default with a different version.
Hi everyone, hope you enjoyed that lesson and that you learned something you can use in your own stack. I want to mention that these few videos are just a preview of the full courses which I have on both Skillshare and Udemy. And I put a link in the description below for both of those. So I encourage you to check those out, and if you do decide to take those courses, I sincerely appreciate it. And I also want to mention that I don't want money to be the reason you can't learn from one of my courses. So if there's a problem there, just reach out to me and I can hook you up with a free version of the course. So that's all. I hope you take a look and I hope you enjoy. Take care, guys.